Now, getting some breaking news right now, the Indian Coast Guard, in a joint operation with Gujarat ATS, has apprehended a Pakistan fishing boat with 6 crew members in Indian waters. Now, the PRO Defence Gujarat has informed that the boat was carrying 77 kgs of heroin worth approximately 400 crore rupees. So that's the breaking news that we are getting right now, that a Pakistani fishing boat has been apprehended that was carrying 77 kgs of heroin. Going across to my colleague Shivani for more on this. Shivani, if you could tell us more about this crackdown on drugs that's been the boat that's been seized in Indian waters.
See, this was a joint operation by the Indian Coast Guard and ATS Gujarat, and they had a tip on the movement of this drug from Pakistan to India near the IMBL, and in the Indian waters, this particular park fishing boat, Al Hussaini, has been apprehended, and it had 6 crew and 77 kgs of heroin, which is worth 400 crores of rupees. And this is the area in Jakhau, near Jakhau, which happens to be the last port of the Indian Coast Guard. This particular boat has been taken there, the confiscated drug has been taken there, and the investigations are going ahead. And this is not the first time. There has been a lot of illegal movement, attempts of drug smuggling through waters by Pakistan through fishing boats, because this is the area where a number of fishing boats are seen. The fishermen go and they look for fish, and in that disguise they come inside the Indian territory. So this time Indian Coast Guard has this information, and it has now apprehended this particular park fishing boat with 77 kgs of heroin in it.
Well, thanks Shivani for getting us all those details. So, in fact, that's a tweet also that's been put out by PRO Defence Gujarat, which says that the Indian Coast Guard, in a joint operation with ATS Gujarat, has apprehended one park fishing boat with 6 crew members, and that was carrying 77 kgs of heroin worth 400 crore rupees.